Welcome back to my channel, and this is the Valentine's Day look slash party look, you can say. Twist with the Indian style, and without any further ado, let's get started. So let's get straight into the video. I'm using this foundation from the brand called Ordinary, and this is the high coverage foundation. For the people who have dry skin, this is not the foundation for you guys. If you put serum and then put the foundation, then it works well. And for the concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro concealer. It's a high definition concealer, covers all the blemishes and dark spots very nicely. I'm just doing it on my usual areas of my skin, underneath my eyes, forehead, chin, and on my nose, and blending it very well. So for the shades and numbers of the products I've used, all mentioned in the description box below, and make sure you check that out as well. So after I have blended my concealer, next step is to use the bakage. For the baking, I'm using this Master Fix Maybelline baking powder, using it under my eyes, sides of my nose, and sides of my chin as well. So just to have that nice highlighting effect on my face. For this look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Neutral Preloaded palette. So I'm using this as a transition shade and blending back and forth using the windshield wiper motion. So pop this transition shade only on the crease area, and next I'm using the shade little bit darker than the transition shade on the crease area as well, just to give that nice depth and the definition for the eyes. And after that, I'm using the STILLA liquid glitter, which is in the shade, I think, rose gold, and this I'm using only on the inner corner of my eye. Next, I've started using this black shade from the same palette and putting it on the outer corner of my eyes, just to have that glitter and also the transition shade and the darker shade to blend well with that. Because my saree has red, black and gold, so I thought to use this darker shade at the outer corner of my eyes, and also the transition shade under my eyes just below the lower lash line. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Gel Studio eyeliner, and it is in the shade Blackest Black, and off camera I did my eyebrows and also did my eyeliner. And for contouring, I'm using this AC Australia's contouring palette. This is so pigmented, guys. I recommend guys to give it a try. And I'm contouring my nose with the same shade. For highlighting, I'm using this Molten Gold Moisture Chrome Maybelline highlighter. So if you like the blinding highlighting effect, then the Molten Gold highlighter is for you. For the lips, I'm using this gorgeous brown red shade from the brand called TARTE. This is quite drying, so make sure you use the lip balm before. And then I'm like to blend all my face with a clean brush just to take out all the harsh lines. I'm using this false lashes mascara from the brand Essence. Before that, I'm curling my lashes, and this completes the overall look. So I'm finally done with my makeup, and time to move on for the saree now. So this is the saree I'm wearing, beautiful plain chiffon saree, and this is the overall look for my Valentine's Day. So thank you beauties for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give a big like if you like the video, and don't forget to tune in my next video. See you, bye.